Welcome, mini chefs. Last week, you learned how to hold the knife with the pinch grip. This week, you're going to learn how to protect your fingers.
Mini Chef time! Welcome back! Let's learn to cook just like that!
Today's mission, learn the sacred bear claw, a technique older than avocado toast. When your knife is in one hand, your other hand becomes a bear claw.
Step 1. Tuck your fingers back, like a bear. Make sure the thumbs are tucked back. You will use the knuckles as a guide.
No flappy fingers. No reaching. Nice and steady. This is the way of the mini chef. For your next lesson in the way of the blade, subscribe to Mini Chef Academy. And remember, slice with control, focus, and honor.